If Steam is showing a failed to load Steamui.Dll fatal error, don't worry. This usually means Steam's main interface file is corrupted, missing, or broken after an interrupted update, a beta client issue, or a bad file conflict. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it without reinstalling all your games. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this one. First, let's try the most common fix, which is the delete and re-download method. Close Steam completely. Don't just close the window. Make sure Steam is fully shut down. Open Task Manager and check that there are no Steam processes still running in the background. If you see any Steam entries, end them before continuing. Next, right-click your Steam shortcut and choose Open File Location. This will take you directly into the Steam installation folder. Once you're there, look for the broken UI files. Delete Steamui.Dll and also delete libswscale-5.dll. Depending on your Steam version, that file number may be 3, 4, 5, or 6, so don't worry if yours looks a little different. The important part is removing the damaged Steam UI file and the matching library file so Steam can rebuild them cleanly. Now relaunch Steam. When Steam starts back up, it should detect that those files are missing and automatically download fresh copies. In a lot of cases, that alone is enough to fix the error and get Steam opening normally again. If you're still getting the same failed to load Steam UI.Dll message, the next thing to check is whether you're using Steam Beta. In 2026, beta builds can sometimes become unstable and trigger this exact problem. You can force Steam back to the stable version without even opening the app. Go back into your Steam folder and open the package folder. Inside that folder, look for a file simply named beta. Delete that file. That removes your beta opt-in flag. After that, restart Steam again. Steam should recognize that it's no longer in beta mode and then pull down the stable client files instead. This is a really effective fix when the issue started right after a Steam update or beta switch. Now, let's move on to another important repair, which is fixing Microsoft Visual C++. Steam depends on these Windows components to load its DLL files properly, and if they get corrupted, Steam can fail before the interface even opens. On your keyboard, press Windows+I to open settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Find the 2015 to 2022 x64 version, click the three dots, choose Modify, and then click Repair. Once that finishes, restart your PC so the repair can fully take effect. This step is especially helpful if Steam was working before, then suddenly started crashing after a Windows update or system change. If none of those fixes solved it, there's one more no-reinstall reset you can try. This is the safer nuclear option because it rebuilds Steam's client files without deleting your games. Go to your Steam installation folder, which is usually in C:\program files x86 \Steam. Now delete everything inside that folder except Steam.exe, the Steam apps folder, and the user data folder. Steam apps contains your installed games, and user data contains your save data and settings, so do not delete those. Once everything else is removed, double-click Steam.exe. Steam will effectively rebuild its own client files as if it were reinstalling, but your game library stays intact. This can fix stubborn Steam UI.Dll errors that keep coming back even after the simpler repairs. So to recap, your best order is, first delete the broken Steam UI.Dll files and let Steam re-download them. Then opt out of beta if you're using it. Then repair Microsoft Visual C++, and finally use the no-reinstall reset if needed. Most users will get fixed with one of the first two methods. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Steam and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.